I'm Corey Davis, Vice President of Marketing at Clickbank. We've been behind the scenes building our digital commerce and marketing platform to make you more successful online. Our new mission is to help 1 million entrepreneurs reach their financial goals, and we want you to be one of them. Before we get started, we want to open our doors and welcome you inside Clickbank.
Welcome to Clickbank.
Welcome to Clickbank.
Hi.
Welcome to Clickbank.
Bienvenue chez Clickbank.
Welcome to Clickbank.
Hi.
Welcome to Clickbank.
大家好，欢迎你们来到 Clickbank.
Welcome to Clickbank.
Hola, queridos amigos, bienvenidos a Clickbank.
Now that you've seen inside, we want to introduce you to Justin and Adam, Clickbank experts and clients who started out just like you. Because of their success on Clickbank, we've teamed up with them to teach you how to be more successful online. They built a successful multi-million-dollar business with Clickbank and have been featured in CNN, Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, and a bunch more. They were even awarded the Top 100 Young Entrepreneurs Award in the U.S. by the White House. So with that, Justin and Adam, take it away.
Hey, what's up? My name is Adam.
And I'm Justin.
And we are very excited you're at this video right now because we're going to teach you exactly how you can take your passion and turn it into a business online. Now, from our past experiences with building businesses online, the biggest struggle is really knowing what to do next. We've seen people get started wanting to build a business around their passion, build an info product, build a video course, build anything, and they just don't know what the next step is.
Now, before we get into that, I want to make something super clear with you, and that's that Clickbank is an awesome platform. So their whole point, in case you didn't know, is about empowering people just like us and just like you to build a business online. And without Clickbank, we would have never been able to do all the cool things that Corey was talking about. And we started out exactly how you were, trying to find out the right path to take. So already, Clickbank's helped tens of thousands of people achieve their financial goals online. They've paid out over $2.5 billion to clients just like you and me. Every hour, 1,200 new sales come through Clickbank. 100 million sales have been generated from Clickbank's start. And that's over 2 times the amount of the latest iPhones that were sold, which is absolutely crazy. And maybe the craziest thing is that the total weight of all the paychecks sent out to people has been over the weight of 2.5 blue whales. And maybe the coolest part about this whole thing is that Clickbank's new vision is about helping 1 million people achieve their financial goals online.
Now let me talk about the opportunity real quick the internet offers us. I mean, we're in a time now that anyone can build a business online from their home, wherever they are in the world. Now the reason that's so amazing because 10 years ago, that would have never ever been possible. The fact that someone could put up a video, for example, on YouTube and potentially have everyone in the world watch that video for free as long as the people have an internet connection is insane, and the fact that YouTube actually pays people to do it is mind-blowing to me. So we're in a time now that you really want to take advantage of all of the opportunities the internet gives us, and the fact that Clickbank has built such an amazing platform for people like you and I to build businesses online around our passion is something that we really need to take action with. And the best thing about all of it is that there's very low capital to get started. Back in the day, you would have had to take out a loan to even start a business at all. Now you can get started for basically nothing, which is amazing. Now what's super cool about all of this is that it allows you to build a business around your passion, which wouldn't have been possible back in the day. Anything that you are passionate about, you can make money with nowadays, and that's something that everyone needs to think about. People still think it's not possible to do something you love and actually generate a good income from it. And that's what Clickbank has gone out there and changed with this whole online space. It gives you the platform to actually do that.
So let me give you some examples so you can be thinking in the right direction. Maybe you're good at golf, or maybe you like cooking, or maybe you like video games, or really whatever it is, you can build a product around that niche, that topic, and put it on Clickbank and start selling it, which is exactly what we're going to be talking about. So let's take the idea of you kind of liking golf. You don't have to be a super expert at it, you just have to like this topic. What you can do is you can write an ebook on how to make the perfect golf swing. You can do a video training on how you swing, or you can maybe do a membership site. That way you're making money and putting new content up every single month. So let's do the math real quick. Say you make only 1 sale a day and your product costs $50. It's for an ebook. 1 sale a day at $50 is an extra $1,500 per month. So that's really cool. But now let's say we want to take it a step further. Say you want to make your golf course into a membership site, something that you're going to add new content every week or every month. And now you're charging, instead of $50, you're charging $50 per month. And you're still making one sale a day. So the first month, you're going to be making $1,500, which is awesome. But if you keep that one sale a day and everyone sticks, the second month, it doubles that. You're at $3,000 a month. And the next month, you're at $4,500 a month. The next month, you're at $6,000 a month in recurring revenue every single month. No matter if you're going on vacation, you want to sleep the whole day, or really whatever